Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free. In the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered.
Package delivery.
Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.